While you watch me cook up some delicious stir fry on the Blackstone, I wanted to just test the waters. I wanted to see if anybody had any idea what they might be hearing um, when you listen to the engine. So there's going to be a couple clips coming up. Um, I am hearing. It sounds like, I don't know, piston slap, rod knock. I don't know if it's noise from the lifters, but I'm hearing some kind of noise, and um, I don't know if I need to be concerned or if it's just usual Hemi sounds. Now I know what the lift, excuse me, I know what the injectors sound like, but this is different. So take a listen. I'll explain a little bit on each of the clips, but let me know what you think. 37 degrees outside. I only drove right down the street, so it's not warmed up yet. You can hear the knocking. $113,000 miles. Here I just parked after getting off of the highway. You can hear it bouncing off of the parked car. You can hear it ping, 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 ping. I realize the audio isn't the best only because I accidentally recorded using slow-mo, and this is playing at normal speed. Anyways, I'm just looking for a little bit of advice. Not sure what the sound is, if I should be concerned, or if it's just common Hemi sounds. I don't know if it's cam lifter. I don't know if it's piston slap, rod knock, cam knock, loose exhaust manifold bolts. I'm just not sure. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and thanks for any feedback you might have.